What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video. So nice to have all of you guys here today. Hope you guys are having a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. If you're watching this in the morning, make sure you got a nice cup of black coffee because, man, does it get the blood flowing and the passion going for what you do. So make sure you got a nice cup of coffee, man. Makes everything better. Anyway, enough kidding aside, I want to go ahead and talk about something that I've been seeing a lot in the comments section within the last week here, and that is about the video I made about a week ago now, and that is talking about how I use spotlights to enhance my Christmas light display. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it above and down below as well. Highly recommend you watch that to get a little more context. But anyway, for those of you guys who just want the tip and you want to get on, get off, let me go ahead and give you a little context. So what I did in that video is I went so hard with the amount of spotlights I bought. I literally bought 20 plus to go around the entire perimeter of my house, front, sides, and back. And one of the biggest questions I've been seeing since I did that video was, Jake, how do you run the plugs for that? How do you string those spotlights together within a series or a cord, if you will, so that you don't have to run a lot of cords? So that is what I want to go ahead and show you today, as that's a question I've been seeing a lot in the comments section. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Okay, so the best demonstration of this is what I have going on in the back. As you'll see, I have what seems to be 3-4 spotlights that run in a series back here to light up the back of my house. For those of you guys who saw the original video, this is something I'm doing to stand apart from all of my neighbors, as this is just something that nobody on this street does, right? This is a great vantage point to light up, as it can be seen from the main road over there, like I talked about in the last video. So cool little way to stand apart for those of you guys who live with a main road behind you. Anyway, I got 3 spotlights running over here, and the way I plug them in is I've got one of these extension cords right here. It's about 25 feet, and it actually has plugs throughout the cord, right? So look at this, right? Move about 10 feet, there's the first plug that holds that spotlight. Move another 5-10 feet, you got this right here, another plug, and then at the very end you got a third plug. Now, as you can see, that's a great way to plug in 3 spotlights. Now, if you want to take it a step even further, you could get one of these 3-way dividers like right here and plug these in, and that way you can actually turn what used to be 3 spotlights into a cord that holds 9 spotlights. Now, don't go too crazy. You don't want to have too many plugs going, otherwise that might blow something, but about 9 spotlights won't be a problem on one plug. So if you want to take it a step further, you could invest in these. These are like $2 at the hardware store, and that's a great way to kind of break things out, so you can multiply the amount of spotlights that you have running in one cord. And on top of that, it also mitigates the amount of cords that you have to run, because you do have this cord that runs like a series. Make sure you subscribe, guys. We have a ton of awesome content coming up as we head out of 2020 and into 2021. Boys, are going to be a good one. We're just getting started here, folks, so make sure you subscribe to see all the awesome content and collaborations we have coming up in the 2021 lawn season. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If I don't see you in the next video, your lawn is going to be dominated. See ya.